Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Scorpios for the month of June from 21st to 30th 2020. And today I'm doing a mind, body, soul and spirit reading for you guys. And I have already shuffled the cards and laid them out. I have taken out 4 cards representing each of them, and I will just begin with your reading, and we will clarify side by side any extra information which we need. Okay, so let's start your reading. At the bottom of the deck I have the Queen of Hearts. Okay, so let's start. What I'm feeling here, Scorpio, is that some of you or many of you are in relationship with a person whom you love unconditionally. Okay, you love them a lot, but what are you feeling right now is that this person is not paying equal respect to this relationship and to you the way you are paying. Okay, maybe they are playing with your emotions, they are just a player. You are feeling like that because they are not acting in a manner they should. Okay, and you are feeling that this person might be talking with their friends about you. They are not serious and sincere about this relationship, and they do not respect you if they are talking about you and this connection to their friends or to the third person. So you are feeling like this person does not deserve you. So this is what is going in your mind right now. Although you love this person a lot, but because this person is not respecting you, you are not feeling like giving any more to this person. Okay, so I see a lot of gossips which you are feeling. This is in your head. So you are feeling like this person may be gossiping about you and this connection to other persons. Okay, and they are not giving you that respect because they should not talk to someone else about you. Okay, there is no doubt. Let's move on to your next energy, which is your gut energy, which is telling me that your mind is not ready to trust this person, but your gut is telling you that you should wait for something to reveal on its own, because you are not sure about that, but this is all in your head. Okay, and your gut is telling you that just wait patiently for something to reveal on its own. So if you whatever you are thinking in your head is right, then also you should wait for it to be revealed to you. Okay, so this is what is your gut telling to you, and your heart and soul energy is telling you that you don't really care. Okay, you're so hurt by this person's reckless behavior, immature behavior. You never expected that this person will behave like that. Okay, and you're really hurt, and therefore your soul and heart are really out of this person's energy, and you want to start a new journey without this person. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that your heart has given off this person, and your soul does not want this person anymore because you're deeply hurt. Your trust is broken, and now you think that you want to move on a new journey without this person. Although it will be difficult for you, but you will surely think that you are on the right track. Okay, so you want to cut yourself out completely from this person and want to move on a new direction without him or her, and whatever it takes, you want to do that. So this is your soul energy which is telling you, because of the pain this person has given you. What your spirit energy is telling you, that your spirit is also telling you what your gut was telling. So your spirit wants you to wait patiently for an important message. Okay, so maybe you are not correct 100%. Okay, maybe whatever you are thinking and you're feeling inside your heart is correct to some degrees, but it is not the 100% truth. That's why your spirit wants you to wait for an important message from this person or from someone else related to you and this person and this connection. Okay, so you should wait for the message, for something to be revealed, and that will decide the direction of this connection. Okay, so let's clarify each of these cards to get some more information over this. Okay, so okay, let's take one card. So what I'm feeling here is that this card is bringing more clarification over to what you were thinking in your mind, that something is going behind your back, some gossips about you, and you are thinking that this person is making fun of you with their friends, and this person is not at all trustworthy. So this is what I'm feeling here is in your head. Let's move on to your gut energy, and which was telling you to wait for something to reveal, and together with this card is telling that this person will come and will talk to you about something which will change the dynamic of this relationship. So here I'm seeing some communication going on between two people, and a really passionate communication, maybe some arguments or whatever. So you should wait for this person to come and talk to you about something important. Moving on to your soul energy, which was telling you to just end everything here and move on to a new direction, just change your direction. Okay, this is what you are feeling at your heart, and this is telling me that although you want this to do, but you are still not able to move on this direction. Okay, you are still not able to cut out with this person. You're still not able to forget them because you love them unconditionally. You still want them to come back. You are struggling to move on. Okay, you're hurt. You are having sleepless nights. You're not able to decipher that what this person is up to, why are they behaving like that, although you love them so much, and they also loved you not equally, but they made you felt that they care and love for you sometimes in the past. So what made them act so irresponsibly now? So you are not able to decipher the reason for all these changes this person is showing to you. So this is going on your heart, and what your spirit is telling you is that the spirit is again reinforcing this fact that Scorpios, you need to wait for some important messages. Okay, maybe from this person or from someone else. The message can come from anywhere, from angels, from spirit guides, okay, maybe some person. So there in this reading I had 3 cards which are telling me that you need to have patience for something to be revealed. Okay, don't make decision now. Okay, don't make decision now. Just wait for some time more for something important to come to you. Okay, so I think the crux of this reading is that you should wait for something important. Okay, some message, some letter, some guidance. Okay, so this is all for you Scorpios for this month, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. If it resonates with you, like, share, subscribe to my channel for further videos, and till the next video, just take care. God bless you, and we end it here. Bye bye.